Organization in a small shop is absolutely critical. So today I'm going to build a suspended shelf to store boxes and other materials that I don't normally use. So with such limited space here in my shop, I've got to make use of every little bit. So I'm looking up here, and that's empty space that could be used for some sort of storage. I don't want to look too cluttered, but I don't have a choice. I am cluttered.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
So I'm going to build a suspended shelf right there, suspended off the ceiling. And the reason I'm doing that is because I know in this wall, so I live in a condo, over in this wall here is about 8 gas meters in a closet just beyond this wall. And a few of them go into the wall and up and over. So I did not want to screw into this wall. I'm sure the gas lines are protected, but I'm not taking any chances there. So the safest thing for me to do is just to suspend it from the ceiling. To do that, I'm going to be using these eye hooks going into the ceiling joists and some gripple. So I'm going to suspend from the ceiling with the gripple 2 pieces of Kindorf, which are about 7 foot long, and then span between it some plywood. Now, it's not going to be able to carry a whole bunch of weight. The gripple that I'm using, I believe, is rated for like 67 pounds. So I'm going to have 6 pieces of gripple. You know, with an evenly distributed load, I'm going to be fine putting pretty much whatever I want up there. But I can't really load it up with, you know, a bunch of wood. I'm going to have to put lighter boxes and different things like that. But at least it's some new storage space for me. So I use Kindorf because I had it. You don't need to use that. You can use a 2x4, or actually probably a 2x2 or 2x3 would be fine for this. And if you don't have any gripple, you can use chain or wire rope that you can easily get at any box store. I use self-tapping screws into the plywood and down into the Kindorf just to give it a little bit of stability. The nice thing about using gripple is that you can easily adjust the height of your shelves. I can lower it a little bit, or I can raise it way up if I needed to. If I had something that I needed to put underneath the storage area, I could easily raise it up.
With what was going on, and at the end of the day, you know, you got to be happy.
So my shop is getting there. I got my drill press set up. I still need to bring my bandsaw in. I've got a good stash of pallet wood that I'm going to be working on. And I got this area with my small bench with the vise sort of cleaned up and straightened up, and most of my tools organized. I put some shelving in up above my larger bench here, and got that set up. I got good lighting. I got some good storage up there. I got plenty of wood storage and all my different projects that I'm working on up there. So now I've got a little bit more to do here. This whole shelf has just become a disaster. I've got all kinds of stuff here that I need to organize and throw away and put in its right place. And then back in this corner all needs some clearing out and organization. So I'm going to get going on cleaning up at least this corner for today. So thank you so much for watching my video to the very end. I really appreciate it. If you would, give me a thumbs up or leave comments down below. I'd love to hear what you have to say and respond to it. So If you would subscribe to my channel, I really appreciate the support. So until next time, get out there, go create something, go fix something, make your world a better place. Thanks again.